Ever bought something online that looked amazing and ended up useless? We've all been there. That's why this list is different 25 Amazon items that do one thing really well: make your life easier. From space-saving kitchen tools to smart storage and small upgrades that actually work, no gimmicks. Just gear that's worth your time. Need to organize your countertop in style? This two-tier iron basket is vertical storage with a convenient banana hook. Quick to assemble with no tools, it holds up to 4 lb of fruit per bowl and lifts produce off the counter, keeping it clean and fresh. Its sturdy design and classic black finish bring both function and charm to your kitchen. Tired of tumblers tipping over or cluttering your shelves? This Grayson organizer holds up to 3 bottles per shelf, with side ridges to keep each one securely in place. Made from sturdy, shatter-resistant PET plastic, it fits well in cabinets, pantries, or fridges. The stackable design lets you build vertical storage without tools or screws. Note: 340 ounces tumblers with handles may not fit perfectly too large, and one smaller bottle per layer works best. Easy to clean and quick to set up, it turns bottle chaos into organized calm. Also works great for protein shakers, kids' bottles, or travel mugs. Need more cabinet space without drilling holes? This spray organizer sticks firmly using suction cups and adhesive pads, no screws required. It holds spice jars, oil bottles, or utensils up to about 5 pounds per shelf, neatly arranging your essentials on any smooth surface. Perfect for small kitchens, rental spaces, or clutter-free cooking setups. Installation takes seconds and removal leaves no damage behind. Want to impress guests effortlessly? This large bamboo charcuterie set transforms your gatherings. At about 13 round and weighing nearly 8 lb, it offers generous space plus 2 pull-out drawers that neatly store 4 serving bowls, cheese knives, forks, and condiment dishes. It even includes a stone divider for artful food separation. Handcrafted from eco-friendly, stained and odor-resistant bamboo, it's durable, easy to clean, and looks elegant year-round. Users rave. It's very heavy and well-made, a showstopper, and so much space for snacks they say it elevates movie nights, parties, and cozy get-togethers. Whether you're hosting intimate dinners or gifting newlyweds, this board arrives ready in a decorative box, no extras needed. Functional, stylish, and made from memories, it's the centerpiece your table deserves. Want to bake bakery-style sourdough at home? This starter kit gives you everything: a silicone-proofing bowl, 9 Banneton basket with linen liner, dough whisk, scraper, lame, and brush. All tools are food-safe, durable, and easy to clean, great for beginners. Perfect starter for fresh, artisan bread without plastic or hassle. Tired of flimsy boards that warp and stain? This Smurley set brings reliability to your kitchen. Made from thick, BPA-free plastic, each board is reversible and lightweight yet strong enough for daily prep. With juice grooves and non-slip feet, they stay stable and keep mess contained. Measuring 17-12, they're roomy for chopping meats, veggies, or baking prep, ideal for families or entertainers. Style meets function. Bright colors help avoid cross-contamination and fit any decor. Cleanup is easy. These boards go straight into the dishwasher and resist warping and odors. A practical upgrade for any cooking routine, more durable and hygienic than wood or cheap plastic alternatives. Tired of digging through cluttered spice drawers? This sleek 2-tier rack gracefully rotates to bring what you need within reach, no hassle. Holds 12 glass jars with food-grade lids featuring 3 dispensing options: pinch, scoop, or sprinkle. Made from stainless steel with stable build and interchangeable Pierre printed and blank labels, it keeps spices fresh, visible, and organized. Compact and stylish, it fits on countertops or shelves and even makes a perfect gift for home chefs. Setup takes seconds, and the smooth turn base makes everyday cooking more efficient and fun. Make bakery-style cookies at home with ease. This stainless steel press includes 13 decorative discs and 8 piping tips, perfect for spritz cookies, churros, or fancy frosting. The ergonomic handle and smooth plunger give you clean, consistent shapes without effort. It works great even with thick dough, and the durable steel body resists rust and wear. Cleanup is fast, and the compact design fits easily in most drawers. Great for holidays, birthdays, or baking with kids. It turns simple dough into edible art. Need durable prep boards that look clean and organized. This Smurley set includes 3 sizes: large, medium, and small, each made from thick, food-grade polypropylene with rubberized edges and non-slip feet. The boards are dishwasher safe, resist warping up to 180F, and clean easily, perfect for veggies, meat, or bread. The compact vertical holder keeps them neatly stacked on your counter, saving space and keeping your kitchen clutter-free. Available in multiple vibrant colors, they add style and stay odor-free even after heavy use. A budget-friendly upgrade for home cooks, RVs, dorms. Versatile, tidy, and built to last. Fit up with messy plastic bag boxes taking up space, this expertly crafted bamboo drawer organizer neatly holds gallon, quart, sandwich, and snack-sized packs across for slots. Fully assembled at 12.5, 12.3, it's ready to slide into most drawers with 3 depth. Each unit includes 21 stylish label stickers, so you can sort by bag type or leave it sleek and unmarked. The natural bamboo finish is smooth and durable, and when drawers open and close, everything stays in place. Holds a mix of plastic bags or cling wrap and keeps them accessible without digging or clutter. A thoughtful solution for tidy kitchens, pantries, or rent-friendly spaces. No installation, just easy storage. Tired of cluttered cabinets where jars get lost or topple? This set of 4 clear acrylic shelves boosts vertical space and brings everyday items into view. Includes 2 large and 2 smaller stackable units to use them nested, side by side, or in an L shape for custom layouts. Each shelf supports up to 11 lb, with sturdy 4mm acrylic and support bars perfect for jars, mugs, or pantry staples. Non-slip pads keep everything stable, and the clear surface wipes clean easily. Great for kitchens, bathrooms, or desks. They make items visible without taking over your space. Simple to install and easy to rearrange, these shelves offer customizable storage that actually looks good. You can even stack them inside drawers for multi-level organization. Need better storage in kitchen cabinets or pantries? This Picator organizer installs easily using nano adhesive or screws, extending from 12 to 20 wide and fitting 21 deep cabinets. Its sturdy carbon steel frame with upgraded triple slide rails glides smoothly and supports heavy items. Perfect for pots, pans, canned goods, or spices. Keeps everything accessible and organized in frameless cabinets. Great for renters, small kitchens, or anyone who wants quick access storage without power tools. No more bending, digging, or losing items in the back of your shelves. Cramped kitchen? This 10-piece stackable bakeware set maximizes space while delivering top-tier performance. Crafted from heavy-duty carbon steel with a PFOA PFOSP TFU-free non-stick coating, it easily releases cakes, cookies, muffins, and more. The nesting design fits neatly into one another, reducing clutter and saving cabinet space, ideal for apartments, RVs, or dorm kitchens. Includes a variety of pans: cookie sheet, loaf, round, square, muffin, plus silicone grip handles for safe, confident oven removal. Each pan withstands up to 450F, delivering reliable results batch after batch. Easy cleanup is a breeze with warm water and mild soap, no scrubbing or sticking. At just over 11 lb, it's substantial without being overwhelming, and the sleek black finish adds a modern touch to any kitchen. Perfect for beginner bakers or weekend pros, this set offers versatility, quality, and convenience at a great price. Whether you're baking sweet treats or savory dishes, the set keeps your kitchen neat and your results consistent. Need a quick way to cook pancakes, eggs, or grilled cheese without a full-size appliance? This little griddle heats up fast and delivers even results on its 4-round non-stick surface. It's perfect for dorms, RVs, or tight kitchens. Lightweight and portable, yet powerful enough for satisfying single-serve meals. Includes an indicator light that shows when it's ready, and the non-stick coating wipes clean in seconds. Users love cooking sunny side-up eggs and cookie chaffles in just minutes. They call it a fun, reliable snack maker. At just £1, it's ideal for compact living or travel. Easy to pack, easy to clean, and great for on-the-spot snacks anytime. Looking for the perfect vessel to serve iced tea, lemonade, or infused water? This 2-quart mason jar pitcher is made from thick, food-grade glass that's BPA-free, lid-free, and safe for hot or cold drinks. The wide mouth opening makes it easy to fill with ice or fruit, and it's dishwasher safe for simple cleanup. An airtight screw-on lid prevents spills and locks in freshness, whether you're storing in the fridge or carrying outdoors. The comfortable side handle offers easy pouring. And the classic mason jar look fits in at kitchens, parties, or picnics. It also works great for cold brew, fresh juices, or flavored water with herbs and citrus. Unlike plastic pitchers, it won't stain or retain odors, and the solid glass walls resist temperature changes, so you can go from fridge to table with confidence. Whether you're serving guests or just staying hydrated throughout the day, this pitcher adds charm, convenience, and reliability to any setting. Sick of sauce drips and countertop messes? This silicone utensil rest brings order to cooking. It holds up to 4 spoons, spatulas, or ladles with raised edges and non-slip feet to catch drips before they spread. Made from heat-resistant, BPA-free silicone, it stays stable and cleans easily. It's dishwasher safe. Stylish, sturdy, and compact, it fits by your stove or prep area and works with wide or narrow tools. It's a smart, affordable upgrade that keeps your counters clean and your tools exactly where you need them. Looking for bakeware that's safe, functional, and space-saving? This 9-piece set 2 shape pans, round and square cake pans, a loaf pan, muffin pan, cooling rack, and more gives you everything you need to bake a variety of recipes. Made from 0.6mm thick humanized steel with a premium ceramic coating, it withstands temperatures up to 500 and releases baked goods effortlessly, plus it's free from PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium. The pans nest neatly inside each other, minimizing cabinet clutter. Perfect for small kitchens, RVs, or dorms. Generous silicone handles offer a secure grip, easing your dough to oven transition. Cleanup is a breeze. The non-stick surface outperforms traditional options and is dishwasher safe. Heavy but not cumbersome at just over 11 lb, this set delivers solid durability without bulk. Whether you're baking cookies, cakes, muffins, or roasts, the set combines reliability, safety, and everyday elegance without taking up half your pantry. Need a kitchen scale that does more than just weigh? This Frattle scale includes a large, detachable stainless steel mixing bowl perfect for cooking, baking, meal prep, and even gym portions. It measures up to 11 pound 5 kilograms with precision down to 1 GI 1 Rs, letting you switch units effortlessly between grams, ounces, pounds, or milliliters. The backlit LCD shows clear, easy-to-read results, while a tear button lets you zero the scale from multi-ingredient recipes. Built-in handle and auto-off feature enhance convenience, and the dishwasher safe bowl makes cleanup a breeze. Weigh ingredients directly in the bowl, no mess, no extra dishes. Reliable, space-saving, and ideal for anyone who cooks, bakes, or counts macros daily. Tired of scratched pans and cluttered drawers? This complete utensil set solves both problems effortlessly. It includes 26 pieces made from high-quality, heat-resistant silicone bonded to durable stainless steel, safe to 450F and perfect for non-stick cookware. The collection covers all kitchen basics: flexible spatulas, solid spoons, slotted tools, pasta servers, tongs, whisks, ladles, and even measuring spoons. Plus, it comes with a stylish, wood-look utensil holder that keeps everything at hand and neatly stored on your countertop. Each tool is dishwasher safe and resists staining, fouling, and odors. No more plastic that warps or retains smells. The sleek orange and white color palette adds a pop of modern style to any kitchen decor. Designed for daily use, this set delivers professional-level durability and performance without breaking the bank, ideal for home cooks, aspiring chefs, or anyone upgrading from flimsy utensils. Perfect as a gift or starter kit for college dorms, new homes, or kitchen remodels. Functional, stylish, and built to last, this set brings convenience and confidence to every meal prep session. Want to clean a pantry, closet, or bathroom? This set includes 4 clear 1111 bins made from sturdy acrylic, perfect for snacks, toiletries, craft supplies, and more. Each bin features built-in handles for easy access and holds up to 5.5 pounds, making them great for shelf or cube systems. The transparent design helps you see contents instantly and cuts down on clutter. Ideal for under sinks, laundry rooms, fridges, or kids' rooms, these bins wipe clean and stack neatly. Simple, durable, and endlessly useful, great for taming messy spaces. They also fit perfectly in standard cube organizers. Want to spark creativity and confidence in your little kitchen helper? This 14-piece cooking set includes real, kid-sized tools made from non-toxic, food-grade materials BPA, PVC, and phthalate-free. Designed for tiny hands, it features a wooden knife with rounded edges, a rolling pin, stainless steel bowl with lid, spatula, tongs, whisk, and more, plus an apron, oven mitts, and recipe cards. Each tool is teachable and safe, making cooking a hands-on learning experience. The durable carrying case keeps everything organized, perfect for baking adventures at home or on the go. It fits toddlers aged 3–6, giving them tools scaled just right to build fun motor skills and independence. Celebrity and parent approved, this set encourages teamwork, responsibility, and family bonding, designed with developmental milestones in mind. Fans say, whether whipping up cookies or homemade pizza, it's the complete starter kit for little chefs with style and purpose. Safe, educational, and fun, it's the gift that feeds both creativity and confidence. Tired of sticky dough and flour-covered counters? This premium baking mat is made from food-grade platinum silicone and holds firmly in place with its anti-slip texture. It features printed measurement guides in inches and centimeters, plus convenient conversion tables and concentric circles for even rolling. Included is a sharp stainless steel scraper with a grippy plastic handle and etched measurements that never fade, great for dough cutting, pastry perfection, or scooping ingredients. The mat resists temperatures from 40°F to 4°F, making it safe for freezer, oven, microwave, and dishwasher. Roll, bake, and clean up effortlessly, all while skipping the flour mess and plastic wrap. Frustrated by cramped sinks ruining meal prep, the CrassCore Workstation Sink solves that with a spacious, extra deep single bowl and integrated ledge to slide prep tools right overhead. Made from real 16-gauge stainless steel, it's thick, durable, and resists dents and stays strong under heavy use. The large 30-width and gently sloped bottom drain water efficiently, while tight radius corners make scrubbing quick. Noise-defend pads and undercoating reduce sound and condensation, so even dish duty stays quiet and clean. Comes complete with a roll-up drying rack, bamboo cutting board, sink grid, and drain cover. Everything snaps neatly into place for maximum counter space. Designed for easy undermount installation, it wipes crumbs off your countertop straight into the bowl without interruption. Ideal for busy kitchens, it replaces cluttered counters with built-in workflow, blending modern farmhouse style and commercial-grade performance. A top choice for home chefs, renovators, or smart kitchen upgraders looking for efficiency and elegance in one durable package. Tired of cleaning up food splatters every time you heat a plate? This 10.5 tempered glass splatter guard has you covered. With a collapsible silicone rim, it fits over plates or bowls and folds flat when not in use, saving kitchen storage space. The anti-scald silicone handle stays cool to the touch, so you can lift it immediately after microwave use. Built-in vent holes release steam safely, preventing condensation from dripping back onto your food. Made from food-grade, BPA-free materials, it resists high heat up to about 230°C and is dishwasher-safe for easy cleanup. Use it as a microwave lid, a pot cover, or a food protector in the fridge. It's a practical, stylish kitchen helper, keeping your microwave clean and your food splatter-free every single time. Need a smarter way to store tea bags, coffee pods, or kitchen tools? This solid acacia wood tray expands from about 9.7 to 17 wide and fits drawer depths of 17.5 or more. It features 12 compartments, 5 fixed and 7 adjustable to tailor storage to your needs, finished with handy slip rubber pads and durable frame joints. It keeps everything tidy and in place. The smooth natural finish also makes it a stylish addition to any drawer setup.